Aloo Do Pyaza. Call it restaurant style or dhaba style, Aloo Do Pyaza is a classic recipe that's actually very simple to make. Process. For gravy, in a sauce pot or handi, add oil. Once it's hot, add cumin seeds, black cardamom, cloves, green cardamom and let it splutter. Add onions and sauté it for 2 to 3 minutes or until translucent on high flame. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Add degi red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and mix it well. Add tomato, salt to taste, water, cover it with a lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on moderate heat. Transfer it to the mixer grinder jar and grind it into a smooth paste. Keep it aside for further use. For frying, in a kadai, add oil. Once it's hot, add potato and fry until golden in color. Transfer it in a bowl or tray and keep it aside for further use. For Aloo Do Pyaza, in a shallow pan, add butter. Once it's melted, add dry fenugreek leaves, fried potatoes and toss it well. Add degi red chili powder, prepared gravy and sauté it well. Add onion and toss it for a few seconds on high flame. Add capsicum, tomato and give it a good mix. Add coriander leaves with stem, spring onion and prepared gravy. Finish it with salt to taste, sugar and mix it well. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish it with spring onion, coriander sprig. Serve hot with roti or paratha. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.